Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to crimp a fuse tap. Fuse taps are incredibly useful for adding new accessories to your vehicle's electrical system without cutting into existing wires. They provide a clean and secure way to power devices like dash cams or LED lights. Learning the proper crimping technique ensures a reliable and safe electrical connection, preventing potential issues down the road. Let's get started with the essential tools you'll need for this task. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a good quality wire stripper, a reliable crimping tool, and the appropriate gauge wire for your accessory. Make sure your fuse tap matches the specific fuse type in your vehicle, such as ATO, Mini, or Micro. Carefully strip about 1/4 inch of insulation from the end of your accessory wire, exposing the bare copper strands. This precise preparation is key for a strong connection. Now, let's move on to the actual crimping. Take your stripped accessory wire and insert it completely into the metal connector of the fuse tap. Ensure no stray strands are outside the connector. Select the appropriate crimping die on your tool that matches the wire gauge you are using. Position the connector within the die and squeeze the crimping tool firmly and completely. You should feel a solid click, indicating a secure, gas-tight connection. After crimping, it's crucial to test your connection. Give the crimped wire a gentle but firm tug to ensure it's securely fastened and won't pull out. Next, insert the 2 required fuses into the fuse tap, one for the original circuit and one for your new accessory. Finally, carefully plug the entire fuse tap assembly into the chosen fuse slot in your vehicle's fuse box. This completes the process, providing power to your new device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.